Ayan, happy second anniversary Brother Eroy Nilbert in your YouTube channel. Ayan, happy second anniversary po. Maraming salamat dahil isa po kayong napakabait at napakabuting tao. Continuous lang brother sa pagiging mabuti at maraming salamat sa lahat. At happy second anniversary ulit. Ayan, enjoy lang sa buhay kahit maraming problema. Thank you brother. Happy second anniversary in your YouTube channel.
Kuya Nilbert, gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy second year anniversary sa iyong YouTube channel. Sana mas lalo pang lumaki ang iyong channel, mas lalo pang dumami ang iyong mga kaibigan na sumusuporta at sinusuportahan natin sa ating community. Yan, enjoy lang natin ang ating pagla-livestream. Enjoy, be happy, good vibes lang, stay positive sa lahat ng ating mga nakikilala, maging pala kaibigan lang tayo. Once again, happy anniversary sa iyong YouTube channel, Kuya Nilbert. God bless always. Thank you!
Hello guys! For today's video, short, babatiin ko lang po si Sir Nilbert ng isang happy 2 years in YouTube anniversary. Congratulations! 2 taon na at medyo matagal-tagal na din tayong nagkakilala, sir, at nagkita namin in person, guys. So, gusto ko sanang susali ang pamilya ko dito, guys, sa pag-greet niya. Kaso lang wala dito si Henry, nasa biyahe, at mga anak ko nandun sa mansion. So, ako lang isa dito sa bahay, guys. Tapos, kararating ko lang. Tapos, ayan, Sir Nilbert, congratulations, 2 years in YouTube. Ayan. Congrats! At enjoy lang tayo sa pag-live at support. Salamat din sa support. Bye!
Alright, happy second year anniversary kapatid Nilbert sa YouTube at maraming salamat at nagkakilala tayo at nagkaroon tayo ng isang pamilya lalo na sa Team Kulits. Ayan, shout out at pagbutihin mo lagi at alam naman ng YouTube maraming mga anik-anik kaya masanay tayo sa lahat ng ating makakilala, masanay din tayo sa mga taong pumapasok at lumalabas at good channel ang ating mga channel. Nagpe-perform tayo as entertainer, nabubulol yata ako. At ayan, binabati kita ng happy second year anniversary sa YouTube, kapatid na Nilbert. Salute and siyempre kasama sa pagsuporta ng iyong mahal na anak. Walang iba kundi si Bunso. Ayan, si Bunso. Ayan, thank you so much sa iyong pagsuporta sa iyong daddy at sa kanyang may bahay. Thank you so much, kapatid na Nilbert.
Hello everyone, and of course to my one and only Kuya Nilbert Eroy of Panabo City, Davao del Norte. Davao del Norte ba yan? Davao del Sur ba? Davao del Norte. Congratulations, and you reached this far, and you are now 2 years old in YouTube as monetized channel, and really I am very happy. Isa ako dyan sa napakasayang tao talaga na umabot ka na ng 2 years, and hopefully this 2 years will not be the end and rather a beginning of another years that you will be enjoying in YouTube. And of course, lagi ko yung pinaalala sa iyo at sa lahat ng mga YouTubers naman na whenever we come into a point na medyo nanghihinaan tayo, medyo nawawalan tayo ng gana, medyo may mga discouragement, we have to go back always to the objectives why we are in YouTube. So, kailangan nating ma-refresh, kailangan nating ma-remind kung ano ba yung pinaka-pakay natin, ano ba yung pinaka-objective natin, kung bakit na tayo nasa YouTube. And in that way, medyo magiging okay tayong muli. Basta we need to refresh, we need to, alam mo na, alalahanin lahat yung mga rason kung bakit tayo nasa YouTube. And again, congratulations really, and I hope you'll just continue your live streaming, especially this is a great way that you can also develop Enzo. This is a way that you can help him develop the talent that he has na na-inherit sa'yo. So, walang susuko, laban lang. And thank you really also so much for the support always. At lagi kang andyan. Kay Lati Jenny and of course Inso. And hope to see you soon. Hope soon. Happy anniversary and happy 2 years.
Congratulations and happy second year anniversary on your YouTube journey, Brother Nilbert Iroy. I wish you more success and sana mag-grow pa ang channel mo, and we are trying to grow together as a Team Kulits family. We enjoy your singing. Alam ko passion niyo yung singing. Your singing and the mystery singer. Sana wag kayo magsasawa to bring entertainment sa akin. Na andito lang kami ng iyong Team Kulits family. Alam mo yan. Always supporting you no matter what. Enjoy. Just enjoy. Okay? Congratulations and more success.